In today's video, I will teach you how to create glowing lines on a portrait in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then open the portrait image that you want to edit. Now select the ellipse shape tool or any other shape from the toolbar by clicking and holding the shape tool to reveal the shape options. Then draw your shape by holding down the shift key for a perfect circle or just drag for a custom size. This shape will form the neon line around your subject. At the top toolbar, turn off the fill option for the shape. Then set the stroke color to a neon color that you want and adjust the thickness of the line for your desired effect. Now press Ctrl-T or Command-T on Mac to activate the free transform mode. Then resize and reposition the shape around your subject. With the shape layer selected, click Add Layer Mask at the bottom of the Layers panel. Now select the brush tool from the toolbar. Then press D on your keyboard to reset the foreground and background colors to black and white. Then make sure the layer mask thumbnail is selected and not the image thumbnail. Now paint with black over parts of the shape that should appear behind the subject. This will give the effect of the line wrapping around the subject. Now right-click on the shape layer and select Blending Options. Now enable the outer glow and set the blending mode to normal, opacity to 100, then choose a gradient matching the neon color that you want. Then set the spread to 5, size to 100, and range to 50. And you can adjust to get the neon effect just right. Then click OK. Now, click the Add New Adjustment layer at the bottom of the Layers panel and select Hue and Saturation. Now enable the Colorize option and set the saturation to 100, then adjust the hue until you reach the neon color that you want. An optional step is adding a smoke effect. Start by adding a new layer, then go to Edit, then Fill. Then choose black as the fill color. With the black layer selected, go to Filter, then Render, then Difference Clouds. Then set the blending mode to Screen and lower the opacity to around 10% for a subtle smoke effect. With the smoke layer selected, click Add Layer Mask. Then use a soft brush with flow set to 25%, then erase the smoke in areas where it's too dense or unnecessary. Now we're going to add a soft glow around the neon line. Start by creating a new blank layer. Then use the eyedropper tool to select the neon color from the line. With the brush tool set to soft brown brush, add a faint glow where the neon line meets the subject. Then lower the opacity of this layer if the glow is too intense. And once you're satisfied, go to File, then Export As to save your image. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.